it go? Oh.
Oh my God, little feathers are coming off him. Oh no.
He's scared.
Every animal in this house is going crazy.
Oh.
Did it go out?
Run away.
Should I hit it?
Heather or Melissa, you're gonna be like a bat.
Well, I don't know. Do you want me to hit it? I'm just not hard.
Not
I
hard.
want it to be able to fly out.
So they traded places because Heather was trying to get the bird to land on the broom and was wondering what the trick was. Sam goes and gets a net, and it's the size of a goldfish.
Oh God, that was close. Right here.
Here, stand on
Okay.
this. And then, like, kind of trap him. Oh, you suck.
You suck.
I feel like I'm at Costco.
The bird's got, it's flying. It's got wings. I don't have
Get
wings.
out! I need a giant sliding glass door.
Can we name him yet? Is that too soon?
Yeah, that's way too soon.
He's gonna hit that thing.
Well, I'm trying. Wait. Do you want me to hit the bird? He's getting higher. He's getting lower.
Come here.
He's getting lower.
Here, you want me to take it? Yeah, because my eyes keep watering.
Here. That
Here,
happens
it's over
when
here.
he's-
Oh my God.
Oh, I
Oh,
know,
he
you're
jerks.
mad. I know. Come here. I know, I'm sorry.
You guys had to see what the options were for me 5 years of my choice.
Oh my God. This is your present.
Really? You're gonna speak verb to him?
I wasn't allowed to. Wow.
Yourself up pretty well, though. Come on, get out.
I think it wants to. Poor bird. But
Heather, why don't you just tell Darren that it's a permanent fixture and just leave out a bowl of birdseed?
this thing's so tired, it does not go big. Oh! Hold on. Go down. No, not that way.
Daniel, be careful, you're not wearing your boot.
Oh my God, this bird. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna keep it down. No, don't do that. What are you doing?
It's not a hawk.
Oh my God. Paco, I know it's nuts. Come on, baby.
Hang on. Let me get the chart in here.
We just passed 3 minutes of me recording.
Stop. It's like 5 minutes.
No.
He's tired. Let's just let him rest.
So he gains more energy.
Yeah. Here.
Fuck it.
Oh, look.
Wow, Melissa. I'm gonna get this.
That bird's gonna be traumatized.
I know, but he needs to get out. It's not poop on shit if you let him rest.
Can I have something that I can swing around so I feel productive? 'Cause it's-
Just go out.
It's so fucking contractor. Get like a trash.
a trash bag?
No! I just opened the door and he flew right in.
Okay, so let's MacGyver it. We need the broomstick.
Fucking tired.
Isn't it funny? He's jumping from me.
Go outside. Go outside. Go outside.
Maybe turn the fan on. No, turn the fan on. It's like an easy third person.
Oh, it's really high.
Just turn it on low. It's okay.
No. Outside.
Oh, you were so...
Right there, it's not a window, douchebag.
He doesn't know that. Or she.
I'm not sure.
We're being politically correct now. Hey, it, out.
Get it, Heather.
5 minutes passed. She's like chopsticking it.
I'm trying to scoop it in. Oh, he's tired. He's done.
He's making noise.
Where's he at?
Chirp, chirp.
Back there. I have to get him on the fucking thing.
Yeah, well, use this time.
I can't believe Rocco, of all things,
Oh no,
caught
he tear
it.
shit apart. Get that bird that tastes good. He's like licking his mouth.
Here, take this first so it doesn't scare away. But like you have like peekaboo eyes.
Surprise!
Net. I know you're tired. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're gonna keep you flying.
It's time for you to
Keep
go
you
home.
flying. Keep you flying. Keep you flying. Keep you going. Keep you moving. Mark, keep you moving. Okay, he's gonna go down. He's gonna go down.
We gotta get him this time.
He's
Everybody
gonna go down. He's going down. He's going down. Oh shit! Hang on. He's going down. He's going down. No, he's going down. Oh shit! Yes. Let's go.
Oh man, they got it good.
Sam, take over.
Oh my god.
I can't walk that fast. Is he okay?
Ready? No, oh, Rocco got his head.
I think that's him banging on the ceiling so much.
Huh?
I think that's from him banging on the ceiling so much.
Oh.
Guess what?
Ah, no, kill her, get over here. Kill her. Get in here now.
Fly away.
Here, just put him in the thing.
He's probably caught.
Yeah, stick him in the.
Put him in the Garbani.
Yeah. Oh. Ready?
Hey.
Are you ready?
Did you stop it?
Once
No.
you get here, I'm gonna.
He's not coming in.
Well, that
Say
was
goodbye.
an adventure.
Bye.
You don't need to wash your hands now, including you.
That's the culprit that caught him. The 5-pound dog caught it.
He's like narrating. Oh, when you're taping Rocco. That's the cool.
Cast of characters. That's Nancy, Daniel, Heather,
No, it is the first full day of their being gone.
Sam. Bye. Wave bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.